Very good afternoon. Welcome to the presentation of this game between Fortune Borishal and the Sylhet Strikers in the Dutch Bangla Bank Bangladesh Premier League, powered by Rocket, co-sponsor Nexus Pay. Well, we've had seen a one-sided affair in this match and quite an emphatic win for Fortune Borishal. They win by 8 wickets, and Fortune Borishal are the second team to qualify for the playoffs. And just a reminder, this is the 4th time that Fortune Borishal have qualified for the playoffs. So well done to Borishal and commiserations to the Sylhet Strikers. I'd like to introduce you to our presentation party here today. Immediately to my left, Mr. Mohammad Shahadat Hussain, Deputy Managing Director, Dutch Bangla Bank. Alongside him, Mr. Mohammad Akram Khan, former captain of the Bangladesh national cricket team and director of the Bangladesh Cricket Board. Next to him, Mr. Mizanur Rahman, chairman of Fortune Borishal. And alongside him, Mr. Shaheen Alam, who is a courageous student who was injured during the historic July-August movement for Bangladesh. And as part of the BCB's tribute, we recognize his sacrifice and unwavering spirit. Thank you, gentlemen, for being here with us. Straight away, this is the award to be announced, the Dutch Bangla Bank Player of the Match. It has an award of 1 lakh Bangladeshi taka, and for his extraordinary bowling performance goes to Fahim Ashraf. 5 for 7, incredible figures. If you'd like to come across, please, and collect your check and the crest, Fahim. And after that, I'd also like to ask Tamim Iqbal to come across with him to do some interpreting once he accepts that award. Congratulations for extraordinary bowling. I mean, just giving away 7 runs, Tamim, must have been an incredible performance. Is this his best in any format?
नहीं मेरा इससे पहले भी है मेरा PSL में है 6 for 19 जी.
So he's used to it.
Yeah, no,
That's a good habit to have. Yeah, but just looking at when bowling first, you're looking at the wicket. It was a fresh wicket. So did he sort of spot anything special to support his bowling?
नहीं मेरा बस कुछ नहीं था. मेरा सबसे पहले तो यही है कि जैसा मेरे प्लान्स को मेरी मैनेजमेंट ऑन करती है, उसके अलावा मेरा यही था कि अपनी जो सिंपल प्लान मेरा है कि assess the condition और उस condition के मुताबिक bowling करनी है.
So no, he just wanted to bowl through the plan, whatever the management gave. He knows there was something on the wicket, but he just wanted to make it simple and just bowl through the plan.
And when the bowlers are in a rhythm, it sort of comes easily at times, doesn't it? Good support from the fielders, though.
बिल्कुल देखें जी, जब आपको फील्डर्स की सपोर्ट होती है, पूरी टीम की सपोर्ट होती है, तो आप हमेशा अच्छा ही करते हैं. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये चीज़ है कि जब आपकी टीम आपके पीछे खड़ी होती है.
Wow,
that's a very good thing he said. They said like when your team is backing you, you can do wonders.
And your captain is also backing you. Well done today. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Fahim. Well, Tamim, very emphatic win. You've qualified, the second team to qualify for the playoffs. Perfect time to be involved in a comfortable win.
Yeah, it's a good win. The toss was important. I was a bit surprised they batted first because I knew it was a fresh wicket and ball was doing a bit in the morning. And then fortunately they won the toss and batted for us. And then the second half got better. As you said that yes, we have qualified, but we want to finish 1 and 2. That's very important because you get one more chance if you finish 1 and 2. We still have 3 more games to go. If we finish strong, that will put us in that position.
In addition to Fahim, you had Nabi bowling so very well. Some excellent. What about that catch? That was spectacular by Riyad.
Oh, yeah, Mahmudullah has been the best fielder in our team by far. I think the catches that he has taken in this tournament till now has been fabulous. And 40-year-old diving around, that's fantastic.
When I was in commentary, I said he's diving around like a 16-year-old. And he looked like it. Yeah, fabulous. And then when you came into bat, a couple of hiccups, wickets going early, but then Mushi and you really made it look very easy.
Yeah, but especially when you're trying to chase this kind of total, the first 2-3 overs is key. If you put on 20-25, the run rate pressure never comes. So we managed to got a few boundaries early on, and then there were 2 wickets. We know there is no pressure with the run rate. We just wanted to build the partnership, and this is what exactly we did.
And you did very well with that. Lovely. You're just cruising along. Best of luck to you for the remaining games.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Shambi.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Tamim Iqbal, the winning captain. And that is all from me down here.
Yes, absolutely excellent.